Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making this green nail set with regular nail lacquer. I'm gonna be using a resizing stamper. Let's get started. I looked for nice green nail polish in my place and found this. It's a fashion magazine freebie in 2017. I wonder if I can still use it okay. I assume the manufacturer wouldn't recommend it to use old nail polish, but I don't see any pigment separation or anything wrong with it, so I'm gonna use it. A rubber band is useful when you can't open a nail polish bottle. It's pretty thick, so I need to use thinner. I got this Morgan Taylor thinner at Asia Nail Festival 2 years ago. Speaking of the festival, they're not going to hold it this year because of the Osaka Expo. Okay, the polish is ready. My nails are ready too. I did cuticle care and oil care and cleaned my nails with ethanol. I'm gonna use Strong Guard as base coat. It's actually nail strengthener. I love the brush so much. Perfect shape, perfect flexibility. I'm gonna dry it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna paint the freebie polish. To my surprise, it didn't get so patchy. It seems like this old polish actually works well. I'm gonna be using these French nail guide stickers from CanDo, a 100 yen store. They're pretty good. They are really sticky, so you might want to make them less sticky for regular nail polish. I put it on my skin. When I put stickers on my nail, I often use a stamper. This helps a lot. The line in the center is a great help too. I put them on the little finger and the index finger. Once you paint the tip, peel the guide sticker off quickly. I'm painting the whole ring finger and middle finger, and I'm making French money on the index finger. I always get nervous when I remove French nail guide stickers. Do I have to color the French tips again? They look pretty opaque and nice. Okay, I'm gonna paint them again. I decided to reuse the guide stickers. I tried to put the stickers right on the same spots as the first paint. I was very sure that I was going to do something wrong, but I didn't. It went really well. I'm gonna paint all the nails for the second time. The freebie polish turned out really nice. The ends of the smile line are not at the same height, but it looks good enough. Even with the help of a French nail guard sticker, it's still difficult to get a perfect French line. I love the color. I'm gonna dry them for 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna stamp on the thumbnail with a plate I got at Walmart in Hawaii and the stamping polish that came with the plate. I'm gonna use an old prepaid card. It looks like a credit card, but it's not. I didn't scrape hard enough and some lines are not quite clean. I got a better print this time. I'm gonna stamp it with a rolling motion from the side so that the print won't get distorted. I think I should clean the plate now. I use polyfill, a ball grabber, and nail polish remover. It looks like I'm just spreading the polish, and actually I am just spreading the polish. It's clean enough though. But for a good picture, I'll use ethanol and paper towel. I'm gonna stamp the same design as the thumbnail on the ring finger. The design is a little too big for the ring finger, so I'm gonna use a resizable stamper from Temu. Resizable stampers are available on Shein and AliExpress as well. When you remove the stamper head, the design shrinks. I paint Bone Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil on the stamped prints. It dries pretty fast. I usually dry it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna use Paradu Gel Top Coat for all the nails. It's available at 7-Eleven in Japan. Paint it gently and fast on the French nail as it might smudge. I'm not gonna do any art on the middle finger. Whoops, I forgot to paint the thumbnail. So I'm painting Paradu Gel Nail Top Coat. It doesn't make nails very plump with one coat, so I usually dry it for a few hours and then apply Séché Vite to finish art. Séché Vite shrinks a lot, but this way I don't see any major shrinkage with Séché Vite. I dried the Paradu Gel Top Coat for more than 4 hours. Now I can paint Séché Vite. If you're watching this video outside of Japan, you can't get Paradu Gel Top Coat. In that case, you can probably find a top coat that doesn't shrink much. Use that top coat before Séché Vite. It might do the magic. I'm gonna clean the cuticle area with nail polish remover. Oh, look at the right thumbnail cuticle area. It looks pretty messy. Polish on my skin will come off after a few hand washes and a shower. But I'm just gonna take it off with washi tape now. All done! I love it! I wore a pastel green jacket and these nails and went to see Wicked. I don't think anyone see the connection between the movie and my nails, but I was very happy. Of course, I told all my friends and coworkers about it and they all went, "Ah!" Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!